Q8374. When installing a chevron-type seal in an aircraft hydraulic cylinder, the open side of the seal should face A. Opposite the direction of fluid pressure. B. Up or forward when the unit is installed in a horizontal position. C. The direction of fluid pressure. The correct answer is C. The chevron-type seal is designed to prevent fluid from leaking past the piston in a hydraulic cylinder. The open side of the seal should face the direction of fluid pressure to ensure that the seal is effective. Q8375. Nose gear centering cams are used in many retractable landing gear systems. The primary purpose of the centering device is to A. Align the nosewheel prior to touchdown. B. Engage the nosewheel steering. C. Center the nosewheel before it enters the wheel well. The correct answer is C. Nose gear centering cams are typically used in retractable landing gear systems to center the nose wheel before it retracts into the wheel well. This is important to ensure that the nose wheel is properly aligned and doesn't hit any part of the wheel well during retraction. It also helps to ensure that the nose wheel will properly extend and lock into place during landing. Q8376. What device in a hydraulic system with a constant delivery pump allows circulation of the fluid when no demands are on the system? A. Pressure relief valve. B. Shuttle valve. C. Pressure regulator. The correct answer is C. The hydraulic system pressure regulator, also known as an unloading valve, serves to control the pressure within the hydraulic system. When the system pressure reaches a predetermined level, the pressure regulator traps the fluid in the system, utilizing the air pressure in the accumulator to hold it. This allows the pressure pump's output to be directed back into the reservoir, resulting in minimal load on the pump as the fluid circulates. However, when the system requires fluid, the pressure regulator quickly redirects the pump's output back into the system to meet the demand. This cycling of fluid flow ensures efficient operation and pressure control within the hydraulic system. Q8377. A fully charged hydraulic accumulator provides A. Air pressure to the various hydraulic components. B. A source for additional hydraulic power when heavy demands are placed on the system. C. Positive fluid flow to the pump inlet. The correct answer is B. A hydraulic accumulator is a device that stores hydraulic energy under pressure. When the demand for hydraulic power exceeds the capacity of the pump, the accumulator releases the stored energy to provide additional hydraulic power to the system. This helps to maintain system pressure and fluid flow during periods of high demand, such as during rapid movements of hydraulic actuators. Q8378. A hydraulic system referred to as a power pack system will A. Have an engine-driven pump for greater pressure. B. Have all hydraulic power components located in one unit. C. Have a pressurized reservoir. The correct answer is B. A power pack hydraulic system has all of the hydraulic power components located in one unit, including the pump, reservoir, filters, relief valves, and accumulators. This type of system is commonly used in small aircraft or helicopters where space is limited. The system is designed to be self-contained and provides hydraulic power to operate various components such as landing gear, brakes, and flaps.